What's Rocky so excited about?
Did you forget? His birthday party is today, and I've got to get some peanut butter bones into the oven pronto. I've got all the ingredients and tools we need. Flour, peanut butter, and this dog bone cookie cutter.
Happy B-Day, Rocky. Did you hear that? Peanut butter bones. Sweet.
Simmer down, boys. First, we have to take some measurements. Here are some 1 centimeter tiles we can use to help us measure the length of the cookie cutter. They're called 1 centimeter tiles because the length of each side is 1 centimeter. Drag the centimeter tiles to measure the length of the cookie cutter. When we measure the length, it's important to make sure that the tiles don't overlap or have gaps between them. About how many centimeters long is the cookie cutter? Right-a-roo.
Hey, PJ, what are those tiles?
Oh, those are 1-inch tiles. They're just like the 1 centimeter tiles, but each side is 1 inch long instead of 1 centimeter long.
Let's try measuring the cookie cutter with them. Drag the inch tiles to measure the length of the... There are no gaps or overlaps, so we measured correctly. About how many inches long is the cookie cutter? Yep. It took 5 1-centimeter tiles, but only 2 1-inch tiles to measure the length of the cookie cutter. Why did it take fewer 1-inch tiles than 1-centimeter tiles to measure the length of the cookie cutter? Sweet! 1 inch is longer than 1 centimeter. So it takes fewer 1-inch tiles to measure the length of the same object.
Sweeters, I need more gift boxes. Can you run to the store and buy some more? Just make sure they're the same length as this one.
Anything for Rocky and his buddies. How long is the box?
Let's measure and find out. Click on the tile that it will take more of to measure the length of the box. Well, that was totally math-tacular. 1 centimeter is shorter than 1 inch, so it will take more 1 centimeter tiles than 1-inch tiles to measure the length of the box.
I'm not sure which measurement I'll need to know when I get to the store, so we'd better measure the length using both size tiles.
Let's start with the 1-inch tiles. Drag the inch tiles to... About how many inches long is the gift box? Awesome sauce!
Now, let's measure the length in centimeters. Drag the centimeter tiles to measure the length of the gift box. Sweet! About how many centimeters long is the gift box? Sweet! The box is about 10 centimeters long. No worries, Rocky. Now that I know the length of the box in inches and in centimeters, I can go to the store. Be back in a flash. I'm back, and I'm packing ribbons.
I love these shiny ribbons. This one looks about the right length to make a bow for the gift boxes. You measure the length in inches, and I'll use centimeters.
Done. I used 7 1-inch tiles, so it's about 7 inches long.
Whoa! How'd you do that so fast? I've only lined up 5 1-centimeter tiles so far. I wonder, will 7 tiles be enough for me, too? Will 7 1-centimeter tiles be enough to measure the length of the ribbon? Awesome sauce! 1 centimeter is shorter than 1 inch, so it takes more 1-centimeter tiles than 1-inch tiles to measure the length of the ribbon.
That means you'll need more than 7 1-centimeter tiles to measure the length of the ribbon.
Will you help me finish measuring the length in centimeters? Drag the centimeter tiles to measure the length of the ribbon. Right-a-roo. About how many centimeters long is the ribbon? Well, that was totally math-tacular. There are 18 1-centimeter tiles, so the ribbon is about 18 centimeters long.
Wow! 18 is a lot more than 7.
These dogs are the cutest. And look, someone else brought dog bone treats too. But they're real dog bones.
Whoa! That dog is huge! I wonder how tall it is.
I put away the tiles, but we could get creative and use the dog bones to measure its height.
Okay. But, which dog bone? Click on the dog bone that we would need more of to measure the height of the dog. Sweet! PJ's treats are shorter than the real dog bones, so it would take more of them to measure the height of the dog. Uh-oh. Looks like Rocky and his pup pals couldn't wait to dig into PJ's pup cakes. Happy birthday, buddy.